Good morning. Here are the latest updates in Indian politics and sports for 8th February 2025. Opposition challenges Election Commission over voter list anomalies. Rahul Gandhi, leader of India's Congress Party, has raised concerns with the Election Commission regarding alleged discrepancies in Maharashtra's voter lists. He claims that over 3.9 million names were added before the recent local elections, a significant increase compared to previous years. The Election Commission has denied these allegations and plans to issue a formal response. Gandhi has indicated the possibility of pursuing legal action if necessary. Prime Minister Modi to visit the United States. Prime Minister Narendra Modi is scheduled to visit the United States from February 12 to 13 to engage in discussions with President Donald Trump. This visit follows an invitation from President Trump and occurs shortly after the commencement of his second term. The agenda is expected to cover topics such as immigration policies and bilateral trade relations. Kerala State Budget Presentation. The Kerala state government is set to present its budget for the 2025-26 fiscal year on 7th February. The budget is anticipated to focus on climate resilience, considering the impacts of climate change on agriculture and disaster events. Additionally, projects leveraging the benefits of the Vizhinjam International Seaport are expected to receive attention. Sports news. Indian Super League debuts in Shillong. The Indian Super League, ISL, is making its inaugural appearance in Shillong on 7th February 2025. Northeast United FC will host Mumbai City FC at the Jawaharlal Nehru Stadium. This event marks a significant milestone for football enthusiasts in Meghalaya. Shreyas Iyer's impactful performance against England. In the first one-day international, ODI, against England, India's Shreyas Iyer delivered a pivotal performance, scoring 59 runs off 36 balls. His efforts contributed to India's successful chase of 249 runs, securing a 1-0 lead in the three-match series. Iyer was a late addition to the playing 11, replacing Virat Kohli, who was sidelined due to a knee injury. Jose Francisco Molina's triumphant return to coaching in India. After a 5-year tenure as the sporting director of the Spanish Football Federation, Jose Francisco Molina has returned to coaching with India's Mohun Bagan. Under his leadership, the team currently tops the Indian Super League standings, boosting a 10-point lead over their closest rivals, FC Goa. Molina's impressive record includes 14 wins, 4 draws, and 2 losses in 20 matches. That's all for today. Please like, share and subscribe this channel for future updates and have a wonderful day ahead.